Hello everyone, I am V.S. Girivasan from BSc Visual Communication first year. Today I am going to talk about the favorite thing in this world for me, aircraft. An aircraft is also known as an airplane in general, is propelled forward by thrust produced either by jet or turboprop engine. The wings generate lift due to the difference in low and high air pressure above and below the wings. It is used to transport people and air cargo. The Wright brothers are credited with inventing and flying the first successful aircraft in 1903. Today, in this modern era, the industry giants like Airbus and Boeing produce state-of-the-art aircrafts like A321XLR or the 777X. Even though these aircrafts are made in USA and Europe, India's first advanced variant of homegrown jet Tejas Mk1A is performed its first test flight in March 2024. That's it for today. Thank you.